Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can find trending sounds on Instagram. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to start, just tap on the search icon at the bottom. And then what we're going to do is to search for trending audio. You can also search for trending sounds. And then after that, you can see right here this option audio. Just tap on that to see the trending audio. So now right here, these are the trending sounds that you can choose or you can use to your post. For example, this one, just tap on that. And then you can see right here, use audio. Just tap on use audio to use the audio to your post. And now what you're going to do right here is to create a post using this audio. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.